Realme Note 12 Pro Plus 5G. Display 6.7-inch FHD Plus OLED display, 120 Hz refresh rate. Processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 South Gen 2. MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Ultra. Camera is 50MP plus 8MP plus 6 for MP rear cameras to 0MP plus 8MP plus 2MP camera. Front camera 3 to MP selfie camera to 100MP front camera. The Realme 12 Pro Plus ships with a premium leather back panel, and this looks fantastic, especially in the submarine blue color option. The phones feature a luxury watch design, which is designed in partnership with luxury watch designer Olivier Savio. Battery 5000 mAh charging, 6-7W fast charging, 1-0W fast charging.